This video is only for education and information purpose. Don't purchase any product without making proper research. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your honey and pine makeup order. Okay, so my dear friends, I want to tell you you cannot cancel your order, but you can cancel your, you can say membership. When you purchase any product on this website, you have to make subscriptions. They have an option making a subscription. If you have already make any kind of subscription on their website, so please be aware, please cancel your subscription, otherwise they will charge you again and again and you are going to lose your money again and again. Okay, so be very careful and please cancel your subscription. If they accept your cancellation, then it's okay, otherwise you can contact your bank, or you can say you can contact your credit card provider. They will cancel all the payments related to this, you can say, platform. Okay, so you need to be very careful, and if you did not like any kind of their product, then you have to cancel, you can cancel your you can say membership, otherwise you are going to face lots of issues. Okay, so how you can cancel your makeup, you need to type on any search browser like cancel honey and pine makeup, and you will get this link, the first one link, cancel membership. And when you will visit on this page, you need to fill out the details like your phone number, your name, your email address, and your some information related to, and in the last section you have to provide a comment section, and in the comment section you have to mention each and everything that you want. You don't want any kind of more, you can say, products and all, please cancel their subscription and all. So you have to mention each and everything on this section. Okay, and once you complete each and every information, then you can wait for some time, otherwise you can contact with your bank. Okay, so only they can cancel your subscription, otherwise you are going to face lots of issues related to subscription and all. Okay, so if this video was helpful, please hit a like button, and if you have any kind of experience, please hit a like button, and please share your comment section. Okay, please share your information, your comment will helpful for lots of people. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.